Today is super cold, but it's raining, so I'm gonna do some inside stuff. Alright, it is dark out, but I had to know how easily these seats were gonna come detached, and turns out not easy. I have my little photography light on here. Oh, that's bright, sorry. So that's kind of nice. It's like a little candlelight. Very cozy. But first screw is out. Bolt. And we got some serious signs of rust. I'm taking out all the bolts on this underside that the outside of the seats hook onto on the wall. Mostly manual work here. That's good to go. Drop her into the bin, and this just pops out. So there's 3 on each one, and you have to take the seats apart to be able to reach it. So this is like the seat. It was like this. I don't know if you can see anything. Whatever, doesn't matter. That's what I'm doing. Ready?
High paw.
Seats are loose. Time to take them out. Dad to the rescue. My puppy needs a jump start. We got the seats out. It's so bare and nice in here. And then I started to take some of the screws out of the base, and then I got kind of carried away, and I ripped that whole section out. And there's some wiring and insulation. Things are happening. That really puts my bus to shame, but you know what? That's alright. Look at that white bus. So I have an idea about getting this flooring out. This was a pain in the butt, and I just did this a little bit this morning. It's so sticky. I'm thinking I attach some vice grips to this, open that door, pull up a truck, or we have a gator mule thing, and put like a chain or a rope or something to this and just pull it out and see if it rips it up. Good idea? Bad idea? I think it's a good idea with potential for being a bad idea, so I need to think about it a little bit. Let me just demonstrate how slow this is to come up. Got some vice grips on here for grip. Full weight pulling back. This is how fast it goes. Oh, sticky. This part's not fun. Okay, so I didn't think it was a good idea, but my dad did. So we pull up the truck. We got some holes into the start of it.
Aren't you going to tell the people that you tied that knot?
I tied that knot. It's a bowline. My dad was a sailor. Well, that clearly didn't go well. Didn't have enough vertical torque up that way, and it just ripped it right off there, so fail. Rubber is free! Whew, that took some serious work, but we have some sticky floors. Put these down because I've been walking out of my shoes. Now, on to getting out of, I can't even talk, I'm exhausted. Time to get rid of this plywood. Sticky, sticky plywood. I'm gonna be honest. Today is the first day that I second-guessed this whole idea. I cleaned everything out. We're down to the wood floors, but holy schneitzel, there is so much manual labor in ripping stuff out, and I'm stubborn and I don't like to ask for help. So today, let me just show you what I'm doing. So every square foot of this has 2 screws holding the plywood down, which is actually, I don't have a tool, all gummed up with glue. And half of them are stripped or old or rusty and not coming out. So I'm using this impact hammer, not hammer, yeah, I don't know, with like this other piece, and I don't know, it's my dad's contraption that is clutch. So this is how I do it. On the compound. Let's rip out some floors, huh? My back is killing me from yesterday. I got like this much of the screws out and those down there, but now this whole midsection is still pretty secured down, so I'm gonna go to town with this hammer thing, impact hammer, and hopefully get these ripped out today because I'm sick of them. I'm sick of the sticky. What's this? Oh, get out of here! Thanks to a car jack, I got all the plywood out. Thank goodness. That was not fun. My back hurts, but par for the course, baby. So the car jack and 2 crowbars enabled me to just rip it out instead of taking out every single screw, which I was doing the other day, and it was just terrible. I hated it. I was second guessing all my life choices, and today I'm in a great mood. So now there's a whole bunch of screws that are still in there because we just ripped them out, ripped the boards out. So I'm gonna grind them all off now. Ready, go. an aluminum rivet. Aluminum rivet. That's what I was trying to do. Alright, I got all of the screws out of the floor. Dunzo bunzo. And now I need to get this side paneling out. And it's onto the walls. But, oh. Look at this. So my noise canceling headphones are dead.